Hi guys, Joe here. A little something different today. What we're going to do is, I seen this pop up on Facebook all the time now, and there's loads of different versions of it and whatnot. But I'm going to test this out today. So I got two containers of same size, one with water, one empty, and I cut up a old work shirt. What we're going to do is we're going to fill this up with dirty water and muck and stuff, and see if it will filter. The photo says an hour, but I don't know about that. I've never done this before, and I think there's easier ways of doing it than this, but let's test this out. All right, so here's a bottle of clean water. I'm just going to put, it's starting to rain now as well, great. So I'm just going to put a clamp on this so it doesn't blow over. But we're going to get just some mucky stuff. Just from some plant that died. Give that a bit of a mix. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drop this in there. And then I'm trying to work a little quick now. And then put that in there. But this has a clamp on it as well, so it doesn't blow over. I'm just going to shove this down there. And then we'll give it a go, see what happens now. At the moment, the time is about 11:30. So we'll give it an hour and see what happens. Okay, it's 12:28. So currently we're at this stage. The water, you can see the difference in the color. I think it's about there now. So it's just been just about an hour and it still hasn't gotten to the bottom yet. So that's already false. Weather conditions got better. It's a little bit windy, but it shouldn't affect this. But yeah, you can see a little bit of a color difference there. So it hasn't actually gone down to the bottom yet, and it's been an hour. We'll keep you updated. All right, it is now 1:32, and it is fully saturated, the cloth, but nothing in the container yet. So still going hopefully, but this is taking ages. Right, so now it is 2:48, and even with the bad weather, we only have like a little bit of water at the bottom there. So to me, this isn't worth it. But there we are. So it is now 3:42. Even with the rain, there's nothing in there. So I'm giving up with this now. Just get yourself a Forest Fundamentals Millbank bag and just get all the gook and sediment out that way. So much easier and quicker. Link in the description box below.